To change the secondary language of live transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Next, tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap more setting. Scroll down the screen. Under audio and language section, tap secondary language. And then select the desired language. As the example, we will select Germany. As a note, if it's the first time for you using this language, you have to download the language first before you can use it. By doing this, the secondary language of live transcribe will be set to Germany, which means you will be able to switch between the primary and the secondary languages when you are using live transcribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.